guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cutie Sherry. For today's video, the hair is from Afsisterwig. So they sent me this blue unit, so I decided that I'm gonna do a spice inspired look. So if you guys want to see how the install turns out, just keep on watching. So this unit is from Afsisterwig's Amazon store. I got this in 20 inches. This is their silky blue lace front wig. Also, it's a Tpart lace. It's a 13 by 6 Tpart lace. The cap size is a medium cap size. All their wigs come in a medium cap size. So if you prefer other size, you'll have to contact them for customizing. The density of the unit is 150, and the lace, and this is a transparent lace. So right now I am just taking some hairpins and I am going to just clip my hair back out of the way because I'm about to go install this unit. But before I install the unit, I'm going to go ahead and fix the ear tabs. Now I'm going to go in with my Ebon lace spray and I'm going to use that to lay my hair down. Lately I prefer to do glueless wigs because it's too hot right now and I don't want to use the glue, so the lace sprays has been my go-to for the last couple of weeks. So like I mentioned in my last video, I got these bands from Amazon. They came in a pack of 6 and they're Velcro, and it makes it so much easier to lay your lace down. So Spice always wear her hair, or most of the time she wear her hair straight, but for this unit it's a little too thin for me. So I'm still debating if I'm gonna keep it straight or if I'm gonna add some curls to it. So I'm not sure, so it's gonna take me a minute to really decide what I'm gonna do, because if you see the ends, it's really thin. This is 150 density, but it's just too thin for me, so I don't know. Why am I reapplying lip gloss? This is so random. But anyway, I am about to remove that Velcro and cut that lace off. So this is how the back of the unit look. Like they said, it's a silky unit. So actually I didn't apply any moisturizer or anything to it because I felt like it already looked shiny. So I didn't feel like it needed any more gloss or anything else to keep it shine. So this is how their hairline looks. I haven't plucked anything. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do anything to this unit at all. This is straight up the box and install. So next I'm going to go and cut that lace, and I'm going to cut it as close to the hairline as possible. Okay, so once you're using razors, I want you guys to be extremely careful because accident could happen and that you could cut yourself. So like I said, please be careful. So I'm gonna go and speed this up, and I'll see you guys once I finish cut the lace off. So far, I am loving this unit. I am receiving many compliments. Besides the unit being thin, the color is really pretty. As far as tangling and shedding, it do tangle a bit at the back, and it also do sheds, which I expected because it's colored here and it had to be processed to get this color. But besides that, the unit is totally awesome and I just love it. So to define my part, I went in with my foundation. I think the color of that foundation was ebony. So I just did that to define my part and kind of like conceal the grids. So right now I am using my hot comb, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that hair as flat as possible. To be completely honest, I didn't have to do this because the hair was already flat. I'm just being totally extra right now. So I decided that I'm gonna curl half of my hair and then leave the other side straight, and then I'm gonna compare the two sides and then decide how I want to rock my hair, if I want to rock it curly or if I want to rock it straight. So if you have made it this far in my video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified when I do post new uploads. And also I'll make sure to leave all the information for this unit down below in the description bar. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys prefer it curly versus straight. I'm leaning more towards the curly section because it just looks more fuller. The only thing is that this unit does not hold a curl too long. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, all the information will be listed down below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.